Test. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome. So it's finally here. My book is out and I would highly recommend you to get your own copy. I put all of my knowledge into this. You might have seen this video in November when I wrote this book and I documented the whole journey. If you're interested, you do check it out. Then in April, I spent a few days to finally edit the book. Who's this book for? This book is for junior designers and aspiring user experience designers. So if this is you, then I'm sure you will enjoy the book and get your copy for free. This book also comes with a Notion template library, a lot of resources related to UX design, UI design, design interview, how to do accessibility properly, and which design system you should check out. So this is my ever-growing collection, so you make sure come back to it from time to time. My hope with this book is to help people, to help you determine if this profession is for you for long term. I designed a test that you can go through. If you have any feedback, please reach out to me. I would love to hear from you, and I really hope you will enjoy the book. And I really hope it will provide lots of value for you. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please make sure you do so you won't miss next week's episode. Thank you for your support and I see you next time. Bye!